Tell us your bike.
All right, quick bike check right now. I'm rolling on a 1844. Got that pivotal volume seat.
Hey, look at this bike.
Celeste velocities. See, I got the new handlebar.
You got the trickster. Got the new trickster.
Run a 650 in the front. Limited edition glow in the dark Fu Manchu.
Why, man?
Hold fast straps right here.
Damn, those are beat up.
Those are fresh.
That's pretty much it.
Fresh like the sky.
Go show us a trick.
Alright. Your bike so blue.
Right here.
They like the tit knee dunks. The tit knee dunks. Oh, just get in.
Oh!
Hey.
Fuck! He made history. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
Don't lie like recording.
Yeah. Hey, can you see me? I saw dog. Hello. Can you see me? You see this big nose right here.